Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW 3 Series wiper blades. First, put your vehicle into service mode to position the wiper arms correctly. This usually involves holding down the wiper stalk. Next, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. The towel protects your windshield if an arm accidentally drops. Always ensure the ignition is off before you begin. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Locate the small release tab or button on the wiper blade connector. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass, as this could cause damage. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring they rest properly. With both new blades installed, it's time for a final check. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate the wipers to test them. Observe how they clear the windshield. They should operate smoothly, without streaking or making excessive noise. If everything looks good, you've successfully changed your BMW 3 Series wiper blades. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.